Welcome to the chapter on digital marketing. Digital marketing is a broad field that encompasses all marketing efforts using electronic devices or the internet. In this chapter, we will explore online marketing, social media marketing, and content marketing. These are essential components of a comprehensive digital marketing strategy. Online marketing, also known as internet marketing or web marketing, involves promoting products or services over the internet. This can include strategies such as search engine optimization, pay-per-click advertising, email marketing, and affiliate marketing. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the process of optimizing your website to rank higher in search engine results pages. This increases the visibility of your website and attracts more organic or non-paid traffic. Key components of SEO include keyword research, on-page SEO, and off-page SEO. Pay-per-click, or PPC, is a model of internet marketing where advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. Essentially, it's a way of buying visits to your site rather than attempting to earn those visits organically. The formula for calculating the cost of PPC is cost equals the number of clicks times the cost per click, or CPC. For example, if you have 100 clicks and your cost per click is $2, your total cost would be cost equals 100 times 2, which equals $200. Email marketing involves sending emails to prospects and customers. Effective email marketing can convert prospects into customers and turn one-time buyers into loyal fans. Key elements include email list building, segmentation, and personalization. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where a business rewards affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's marketing efforts. This can be tracked using unique affiliate links. Social media marketing involves using social media platforms to promote products or services. This can include organic posts, paid ads, and influencer partnerships. Popular social media platforms include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Organic social media refers to the free content such as posts, photos, videos, and stories that all users, including businesses and brands, share with their followers. Key strategies include content creation, community engagement, and analytics. Paid social media involves paying to display ads or sponsored messages to social media users. This can help increase visibility and reach a larger audience. Key components include targeting, ad formats, and budgeting. Content marketing focuses on creating, publishing, and distributing content for a targeted audience online. It aims to attract, engage, and retain an audience by providing valuable and relevant content. Key types of content include blog posts, videos, infographics, ebooks, and case studies. Blog posts are articles published on a website that provide valuable information to readers. They can help improve SEO, establish authority, and drive traffic to your site. Key elements include keyword optimization, quality content, and a call to action. Videos are a highly engaging form of content that can be used to demonstrate products, share customer testimonials, or provide educational information. Platforms like YouTube, Vimeo, and social media are popular for video content. Infographics are visual representations of information or data. They can simplify complex information and make it more digestible for readers. Key components include data visualization, design, and storytelling. Ebooks are long-form content that provides in-depth information on a specific topic. They can be used to generate leads by offering them as free downloads in exchange for contact information. Case studies are detailed accounts of how a product or service helped a customer achieve their goals. They can build credibility and demonstrate the value of your offerings by showing real-world applications. Digital marketing is a dynamic and essential component of modern marketing strategies. By understanding and leveraging online marketing, social media marketing, and content marketing, businesses can effectively reach and engage their target audiences. As you continue your studies in marketing, keep exploring these areas to stay ahead in the ever-evolving digital landscape.